There goes a GO train, and the temperature outside is about 17 degrees. It's June 16th, 2023. Dark, as you can see, it's nighttime. It's hard to see at night. Why I bother recording this, but catch some action. Excellent. That's a wrap. Okay, I caught the GO train down at Niagara Falls here on Bridge Street at the station, via station, and it's now heading out. It will be heading for St. Catharines, Burlington, Hamilton, and on to Toronto. Probably be the last car for the night. And it is June 16th, 2023. Temperature is approximately 17 Celsius. And there goes the GO train. And it's kind of slowing down. I'll keep an eye on my bike. And there goes the train. I think it's stopped. Nope, it's going. I'm stepping on railroad property. Slowly the train disappears into the night. Slowly going down the tracks. Going back off onto the regular land. And that's a wrap. Excellent.